Alright, what's up y'all? It's your boy Bob. We are back again for another vlog. It's our last day here, so I had to leave the house, do a couple things, go sightseeing. But yeah, right now we at this place called Burns BBQ. It's in it's low-key in the hood, like in the trenches, so you know food gonna be fire. Well, yeah, we got Burns BBQ, and we're gonna do a little food review in the mix in between this vlog. So make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Let's see how this barbecue tastes. You dig? Alright, so this is what I got. I got the beef, sliced beef, some ribs down there, mac and cheese, and some beans. Just gonna smack a little sweet tea and a little piece of bread. Let's see. Because they got that smoky taste, I like that, and it's tender. You ain't gotta constantly chew just to break it apart. Fire.
Tanisha, we found something she don't like.
Alright y'all, so we at Graffiti Park downtown. Some artwork. Some on this side. Alright y'all, so it's the next morning. I don't know, just a long day yesterday, so it's early in the morning. It's 6:20-ish. I'm planning leave at 7. About to start boarding here in a second. But I'd just like to say, Texas, Houston, Dallas, and all the Katy, Scotia, Humble, everywhere we went, we had a great time. Like I say, Texas is my second home, and who knows, it might be my official home here in a couple years. But that being said, I love y'all. Thank y'all for coming on this trip with us. We had a great time. We had a ball, and who knows where we go next. But it's the life of Bob Jr. It's yours truly, Bob Jr. I'll catch y'all when I get back to Cali. Peace out. Y'all say peace to the camera. Peace out.
Maddie, say peace.
Peace out.